Yo guys, so we got the Air Jordan 5 grapes to release today, and you'll be surprised, man. There are still some people that still did not confirm their pair yet. It's some people that took L's, but it seemed like the pairs were plentiful out there. If you actually put your footwork in and actually put some effort towards getting these, you were able to get that pair. But it's always those people that sleeping on the release that think the shoe is gonna, be one of those sleepers. They're gonna sit on the shelves for a while. They might be sitting in certain areas, but some pairs, in some areas, some locations, and things went quick. We got to talk about the release of the Air Jordan 5 grapes, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of them ones, man. And real quick, before we get any further, bro, the shoe that I wanted to go ahead and grab, that's why I said, man, I was kind of wrong. I thought that this being an OG, the OG grapes, I thought they would go a little bit quicker. I didn't think pairs would be sitting around very, very long. But of course, man, in some areas, they are going. So it's always one of those give and takes depending on what location you're in. But the sneaker that I did think of was the Air Jordan 5 black metallic, guys. OGs, They get a little reimagined spinoff, but I feel like the reimagined are better than the OGs in certain ways, I know it ain't the OGs, but they still got a nice hit that reflective, Nike Air, the white laces, the white trimming. But the Grape 5 release kind of reminded me of this one in a sense because, going into this release, everybody's like, they're going to sit. Everybody like they passed on them. They want the OGs only. And it almost happened to be like the Bread 4 Reimagined release where people saying the same thing, bro. Saying the same thing. And guess what happened, bro? These things sold out instantly. So I did think that the Grape 5 release was going to be something similar. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you run the likes up for your boy DaVinci. We are here on another Jordan release day. It's always great seeing you guys' comments and seeing, kind of how your release went, how many pairs you cooked up, what happened, what kind of, first come, first serve stories you have, because, man, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even remember the last time I did first come, first serve. I ain't got time for it, man. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. Let's jump to these Great 5s, man. All right, so you guys already know how they coming, man. Y'all already know how the Air Jordan 5 grapes is coming. And again, bro, I didn't think they would sit on sneakers as long as they did. They didn't stay on there too long, but of course, the big sizes flew, and some of those certain sizes that we always see kind of happen. But these were limited to only like 42,000 pairs, bro. 42,000 pairs on the Nike sneakers app. So of course, Nike sneakers are gonna be the first spot people go to instantly. And I always kind of reference back to when I first started buying shoes. All I knew about was the Nike sneakers app. I didn't know about Foot Locker and confirming. I didn't know nothing about none of that. So the only thing I banked on was the Nike sneakers app. So that's why a lot of people kind of bank on the Nike sneakers app to get that dub. But again, 42,000 pairs, of course, they're gonna go. Of course, they're gonna go, and it's gonna be the first thing people, kind of see and point out how the release is kind of going. And of course, those big sizes are going to be gone, man. But these joints right here, man, the OGs, I think it's the first time we've gotten the Great 5s. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. It's the first time we got the Great 5s with the Nike Air on the back, other than the Bel Air pair that Will Smith did drop. What was it, like 20, I think it was like 2018 or 2019, something like that, but they did not have the laces in them. So people's like poking holes and stuff like that into the sneaker. But I think this is the first time we got them since the OGs with the Nike Air. You guys can help me out if I'm wrong. Probably dropped one time after the original Air Jordan 5 grapes, but it's been a while since we got the Nike Air on the back of these grape guys. So I know a lot of people always asking on release day, man, how did it go for me? Of course, I do think that if I would have tried, I could have instantly got them on sneakers. It's not one of those shoes that was super hard to get, like the Ferrari 14s. It wasn't like the metallic 5s, which I did take an L on the Nike sneakers app. I had to pay resale on the metallic, I did try to get double up, but that's neither here nor there. I do think I could have got a pair easily, but I wanted to keep that size 9.5 out there for y'all. But this is definitely a pair that I had to add to the collection, bro. It's an OG. And we got the metallics cross off this year. We had to cross the grapes off in terms of the OG releases we haven't again, especially with Jordan 5s. Like, when is the next time we're gonna see the Grape 5s come out? I always like to point that out there. And if you really do want this shoe, man, buy what you like. Forget the hype. It don't matter if the shoe's sitting. It don't matter if it's sell out. If you do really want the sneaker, man, go out there and grab them. And the quality on this pair is A1. I'm like, honestly, this is the best Jordan 5 leather quality we've gotten in a very, very long time. And I just think the hits, the quality control, everything was put to a T on these guys right here. And we just got the, you know, reimagined metallic fives. I'm pretty sure here in the near future, we're gonna start seeing some of these other OG Air Jordan 5 colorways getting reimagined. But kind of if you think about it, the Fresh Prince pair was probably the reimagined Grape 5 because it didn't have the laces, how Will Smith wore it in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. So that's probably enough for that one. But I know we got a couple more, you know, like Fire Reds, they can do a reimagined spin-off on, where I got the black metallic, so on and so forth, man. And next year, if you don't know, we're gonna be getting the cool Grape 5s, man. I cannot wait, man. Prior to the release, the resale was sitting around like 240, 250 in most sizes, which seems to be the norm now. I don't know if you remember last year, bro, everything was almost under retail during the drop, and it would even just dropped, you know, even more after the release happened. So we shall see kind of how this one goes. It's kind of sitting around retail, fluctuating. Of course, the bigger sizes are going for a little bit more bread. You guys let me know in the comment section, bro, if you secured a pair. I can't believe I got this far to asking, man. If you secured a pair, you passed on them. Because again, I know where some people in the comments saying they passing, they don't want them. It's always like that. And I always look back to the Friday 14 video. People say, yo, I'm passing on them. I don't want them. I'm putting all my energy towards the Grape 5s. And it seems like, you know, when that hype kick in, when shoes start selling out, everybody energy switches up. It seemed like, you know, people put more energy towards the Ferrari 14, just kind of on the outside looking in on the 2 release. But again, man, one quick 360 for y'all, man. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the grapes. This is one of the ones, bro. I don't care what nobody say. This is top 2, top 3 Air Jordan 5 colorways of all time. And this is definitely gonna go down in my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year. Never had the grapes, always been interested in getting them. So I am super, man, super excited about having these. You know what I'm saying? If y'all wanna see a own feed of these, kind of like a how to style, go ahead and run the likes up. Let's get this joint up to at least 500 likes. We got a Jordan 5, so let's go ahead and get this up to 500 likes on these guys right here. But man, I'm super excited, super ecstatic to have these in the collection. And yeah, man, I can't wait to throw them on feet. But hey, I need y'all to let me know in the comment section how you feel about the quality, bro. Like, I'm talking about these joints is super soft, super plush, and they're gonna be durable for a while to come. So I gotta get some good wears out of these guys right here, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Let me know how your release went. It's one of them wishy-washy joints. I think people energy switches after the Friday 14s. That's just my take. But subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, man. Run those likes up for your boy, the vintage. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.